In this video, you will learn how to set up your Eero router and get connected in about 10 minutes. First, let's check what's in the box. You should have the Eero device, the power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Step 1 is to download the Eero app. Find and install the Eero app from your device's app store. Step 2, power up your Eero device. Connect the power adapter and wait for the white light to appear. Step 3 is to connect your Eero to your modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect an Eero port to your modem's Ethernet port. Step 4, open the app on your phone and select Set up New Network. Step 5, scan the QR code. Use your smartphone camera to scan the QR code located on the base of your Eero device to begin the setup. Step 6, name your network. Personalize your home network with a unique name and create a secure password for your Wi-Fi. Step 7, wait for the setup to complete. A blinking blue light on your Eero device means it is configuring. Once the light is solid white, you're connected. Enjoy your new Wi-Fi.